Hello, my name is Chris. I'm one of the salespeople here at Carlock Nissan. I just wanted to kind of show you one of the features that I personally like on the Pathfinder. They come across, it's on a Pathfinders, on Muranos, on Armadas, usually on the higher trim levels. It's part of the Intelligent Key. So on the Intelligent Key, when you go and you get like a Platinum Pathfinder or something like that, what the it's one of the features. Essentially, when you walk up, it automatically unlocks the car, and when you walk away, it automatically locks it. It's a really cool feature. I think a lot of people that would really like, especially like women with purses and things like that. It's that you throw your key in your purse, you don't have to worry about it. You have it on your shoulder. You have kids, just walk up, your car's unlocked. You don't have to really worry about, where's the key and digging through your purse and everything like that. So it's actually one of my favorite features that I have on my vehicle, and I really like to show it to you. All right, so when you have the Intelligent Key, when you walk close, you'll see on the key or on the vehicle that the beep means it's unlocked. So I can get up to it. And if I walk away, they'll do that. So if you try and walk up and unlock the car without the key, it's still going to be locked. But when you walk up holding the key, whether that's in your pocket, in a purse, anything like that, it automatically unlocks. And to set up this feature, a lot of people don't know how to set up the feature, so I'm going to step you through right now. All right, so when you have the vehicle turned on, to get to the feature to turn on the automatic lock and walk away lock, automatic unlock, this is how you do it. So, from the front page, essentially, just scroll over, all the way over to the settings. You hit the OK, and then it brings you to this page. You scroll down, right here, to where it says Vehicle Settings. Click OK, and then it's going to bring you to this page on locking. Scroll down to locking, click it, and then you have the auto door unlock, you have the walkaway lock and approach unlock. So if you turn them off, obviously it'll gray it out. They'll automatically be turned off unless the dealership turns it on. But to turn it on, obviously you just click both, and that activates the feature. And it's one of the most convenient features that a lot of people don't know about or how to access it. I show it to all of my customers that have the ability to have that feature, because it's not on all of them. It's usually only on the higher trimmed options. But it's such an easy feature to turn on that changes a lot. And that's how you activate the feature on the Intelligent Key to do the walkaway lock, approach, unlock. I appreciate your time and watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and feel free to come by and shop with us anytime.